Sharing files securely helps prevent data leaks and compliance violations while protecting the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your sensitive, private information. Consider the following best practices to help ensure safe and compliant file sharing. 1. Use a secure file sharing solution that includes end-to-end encryption and access controls. 2. Protect files in transit and at rest with strong symmetric or asymmetric encryption. 3. Use secure transfer protocols like SFTP, HTTPS, or TLS. 4. Create file sharing policies and reinforce secure file sharing processes. 5. Require strong, complex passwords and reinforce with multi-factor authentication. 6. Patch file sharing software and automate updates whenever possible. 7. Use role-based access controls and review permissions regularly. 8. Protect endpoint devices with antivirus, encryption, and remote wipe. 9. Train employees regularly on good file sharing habits. 10. Monitor and audit file activity with logging tools to detect and respond to unauthorized access. To learn more about sharing files securely and in compliance with data privacy laws and standards, please visit kiteworks.com.